Hi viewers, and today I'm answering a few questions that have come up. One of them is, how do I get draft tools on the part design workbench? Because if we wanted to move anything on here, we've got a number of options. So if I wanted to, say, align this body to this body, so I've got two bodies in here, and one's a simple pad with a thickness on there. I've removed some faces in there, and the other one's a simple body with a sketch that's just a triangle in there. It's made with the polyline tool. Padded those out. So how do we go about aligning these with draft and having those tools actually on here? Well, it's actually quite simple to get those tools, because normally what you have to do is jump over the draft and then select the body you want to move, and then come in here and use the move tool and then show the actual different alignment tools here. So at the moment I've taken them all off and I've got the center one on, and then I can actually come in here and click the center of that one and move it to the center my piece. Like you see, you can it's snapping in there into the centers because I've got that center snap on. And I'm going to do the same in here. I'm going to click the body, and you can see that if you look closely, there's a dot that's come up, so that's centered now. And zoom out and bring this down, and I can snap it into position along that center, or can change the different modes in here. So I can have snap to like center on the point, and center on that top point, or center on that point there. You can see we've got the controls changing. So we've got a little blue thing there with a center. How do I get it? And it's how I actually get these controls onto the part workbench, so we can actually go from there. So I don't want to keep on jumping to the draft workbench to do that. Well, there is a way, and it's using the custom toolbars. So if we go up to tools and in customize, then we have our customize screen up. Now if we jump into toolbars, and it's actually selected the workbench that we're on, part design, which is the one that I want. If you want a different one, just select it from there. And what I'm going to do is create a new toolbar in there. This is going to be my custom toolbar, so I'm going to call this one something like drafting, and okay that. Now I've got that drafting entry there, and that's going to create a toolbar. If you look what's happened, the screen has actually changed behind, and it's given us a new toolbar along here. Everything shifted down. If you saw that with a keen eye there, it just shifted down slightly. And what we do is come in here, and we're going to look at our tools that we got. Now the move tools are in a different place than what we think. It's not in drafting here. See, we haven't got any drafting tools here. If we look at Python, and you can see there's a number of tools in here. If you move down, and we've got the move tool. So that's, click on the right arrow, move right, and that's added the move tool in there. So if we close that, we've now got the move tool in here. If I click that move tool, all of a sudden our alignment tool has appeared. So our snapping tools are here. So we've got a snap to center, a snap to point. So all of a sudden those have come activated. Let's close that. So those are there. We've got the move tools, and what's come along with them is the actual snap tools as well. So those are there. They can now be accessed from the views, toolbars, and the drafting, so I can turn that off if I so desire. And then view toolbars, and we've got the draft snap, which comes along with the move tool, so we can turn those on and off. And now I can have all these tools available from my part design. So I can actually go in, select my body, and decide what type of snapping I want. So I'm going to snap to the end point there. And I've already selected the body that I want to move. Click on the move tool, and then I can just zoom in and I can decide what point I want to use. So I'm going to use that point there. And now I can move it. And I'm going to snap into there like so. So I've added that to the end there. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my site. And also I have a Ko-Fi site where you can actually donate a few pence or a few pounds, dollars, or whatever your currency is. And that's at ko-fi.com/mang0. And there you'll be able to help me fund my site, and all the money that I actually get from any funds will actually get pushed back into the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next time.